What's up everyone? I just got my new shower curtain rod here from Amazon, and this thing is awesome. It's really high quality. It can fit on any shower, 32 inches up to 75 inches in length. It's super easy to adjust. So it comes with a bunch of these rods here, and you can connect them together for the length that you need. And then this last rod right here is really nice because all you do is it telescopes in or out depending on how you rotate it. And the really nice thing about this shower curtain rod is there's no drilling necessary. It holds to the wall by tension. So that's how you're gonna adjust this last one, this telescoping rod right here, to the exact tension there. And then it has a little bit of spring action so you can move it to wherever you want. And I love that you can apply it to various surfaces, including tile, wall, wooden frames, glass. It does have anti-slip rubber heads on there. So that's gonna prevent any gouging like my last one did before. This is a really nice shower tension rod. There's so many different uses for it. You can use it as a shower curtain rod. You could use it in your closet. Also use it in your laundry room, and maybe even as a door curtain as well. So if you were looking for a great quality shower curtain rod, this is a great choice. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.